Somebody's clipped the curb there, you notice, on the bottom left. Right. Today is the day after Hurricane Ali. And I'm on exactly the same run, but I'm behind. It's crazy. Not too far behind though. I had to start at 11 o'clock today instead of, I think it was 10 o'clock, so nothing major there. Been sat in there since 3 o'clock. It's now 4:45, so I've got to get all the CAC, I'm afraid, on the M8 720, and I've got my best score. I've got all the way up here on 99%, so I beat it by 3%, which is, I mean, and that's boring, especially to other drivers and stuff, but to me it just gives you something to do. I didn't have my camera hooked up on the screen, and I was just determined to get up here as quick as I could, really, within the limits, of course, always, yes. I'm off to East Lothian Produce, like I say, exactly the same as yesterday. Pick up some overspill, 6 pallets I think there is. I'll be lucky to get through all the traffic though with a decent score, you know, when you stop start, people jumping in and out in front of you and things like that, so hey ho. At least I got my best score coming up. There's another 5 stars there for stopping. Literally just marks you on your braking, your anticipation, your fuel. Pretty good. We've also got an app now on our phones from the yard, and it breaks down absolutely everything. I will, when I get a chance, I can do a screen record on my phone and I'll go through it with you, you know. I have to check it out first, make sure there's nothing on there that I'm not allowed to show you, you know, like anything to do with company. I think it's just an app, but like I say, I'll do a one on that. Get used to it myself first. I only got it put on yesterday and I was mid-table, which I was a bit gutted about. But right bang in the middle of everybody in the yard. I thought I'd done a little bit better than that. Like last week, a couple of scores in the 90s, you know, but it's this one on your app, it picks up other things like your braking, over accelerating. It literally reads every single thing that you're doing in the truck, to do with the truck, of course. I'm not sure how people think about it. Me personally, I think it's great. It's going to pick up on my weak points, and then I can improve on those. And if that means going to the trainer and saying, yeah, will you take us out, or is there anything you can offer and suggest, because they know what your scores are, they log it. I'll have to take this call. Finally back on the A1. It's pretty mundane getting through that. Expected though. It's 20 to 6 now. I'm going to be there for, well, 6 o'clock, and they will be chomping at the bit, because they like to be away for 6. They literally will be waiting for me to turn up the Hyder pallets on, and I'll be straight out of there. I reckon I'll be turned around in there at 6:30 and straight down the road. We shall see. 10 miles to go. See you back in the yard. Their yard. So I like to say, nothing on the bay. Where spin it this way. But he scores down to 93. Arrgh. Get the doors. Tell you, didn't I? The lad, when I spun it round there and got the back doors, he'd already opened the, what I was reversing onto, the bay door. It's bay door, Steve. Okay. Bay door. He'd already had it, like, opened it and was like, okay, back on. They are desperate to get out at 6. Everything's locked up, all the lights were off. So, like, literally 6 o'clock I got there. It's 14 minutes past 6 now. 6 pallets. Could be quicker. Won't be long before we're sliding down this road on black ice like last year. That was fun. Really? A bit of a blind corner, that. Not too bad. Once you're committed, see if you're in the murk and you're like committed and then it decides to snot out on you like they tend to do. You could have a little bit of bother, or the person coming to watch you could. If you're a cyclist, I suppose. £9 for the yard. Exactly 9 o'clock it says, so I'll shave 15 off that. Oh, sorry, I just got a little bit excited there when I seen that black Ford Mustang. I love him. One day I get why now, you know, when you see these retired guys and they're driving around all these fantastic sports cars and things, because it took them that long to save up for it. The good thing is they can at least be able to enjoy it because they can go out anytime they want. Go out during the week when the roads are quiet and the country lanes and things. While we're all at work, get out there. I'm going to phone a big guy up. I had a missed call off him when I was messing about in East Lothian. See if he's on the road tonight. I'm sure he is. Playing in the roads. Right, isn't it, Jiffy?